Expanding to Spain is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you some pro countries to launch to first. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to go to Inventory and then Sell Globally. If you don't see this tab, you need to upgrade to a professional account on Amazon. But anyway, you're going to go here and you're going to drop down to Europe. And in Europe, what country is there? There's Spain, Germany, Netherlands, UK, and so much more. So if you expand to Europe, not only will you gain access to Spain, but you'll gain access to a lot of other countries as well. But anyway, you're going to create a European selling account and you're going to click Register Now. Now you're going to fill out the steps once you click Register Now, and simply they're going to be asking for things like your passport, your bank account statement, and credit card statement. Just make sure they're all up to date, nothing's expired, your name matches your bank account statement name, and so on. Expanding to Spain on Amazon is easier than ordering tapas. Instead of waiting for the waiter, you can just wait for the inventory to get to Amazon. So it's a lot faster, and then once you're done, you can go to Europe and you can see a nice little green check and you know that you did it right. And not only do you have access to Spain, but you're going to have access to a lot of other countries as well. Now next, you're going to need your VAT number, and your VAT number is pretty much like your VIP pass. You can't get into the club, aka you can't ship into Spain without your VAT. So your VAT is super important and you're going to need it to ship your inventory. So what you can do to get your VAT, if you don't have it already, is you can just type in VAT in the search bar and then click Manage Your VAT. And then it should give you area where Amazon can help you manage your VAT. Now, I refresh my page and it'll take you here and manage your European VAT needs. And then you can see there's different access, Avast, JMP Accountants, Singularity. There's a lot of people that you can hire, and you can see the pricing depending on the country you want to expand to. So Amazon has partners and they can help you get your VAT number pretty quickly. Just go here and then get your VAT. After you get your VAT, you're going to need your EORI number to ship items into Amazon. Nobody usually talks about this, but you figure it out once you actually ship your items in. So to get your EORI number, the easiest way is to get it in the UK first. So say EORI number, UK. And then you can apply for it right here, get an EORI number, and you can get it pretty quickly. So make sure you get all that information and you can obtain it. The easiest way to obtain it is in UK first, and you only need one EORI number in the entire EU. So if you get it in the UK, you can use it for Spain, Netherlands, Poland to ship inventory in. So just get that EORI number. For VAT, you need a VAT number for each and every country. So for shipping to the UK, you need a VAT number just for the UK. For Italy, you need a VAT number just for Italy. For EORI number, you just need one, and you can use that one code for every single country, if that makes sense. So next, since we're approved, we can go to Spain. And now you're going to click on Spain, and it's going to direct you to Spain. If there's any red boxes like your bank account statement or your credit card, add those in, and then we're going to start creating those listings. You're just going to go to Manage Inventory. If there's already listings here, you want to delete them and then recreate them from scratch. That's my recommendation, because sometimes the translations or something's off, so you want to recreate them. So I would delete all of these and then I would recreate them from scratch, because sometimes Amazon gives you trouble if you already have listings here. Now, to recreate them, all you're going to do is take the same ASIN that you have in the USA and recreate it for the Spain market. So you're going to go to Add Products right here. And let's say I want to add this. This is my product from the USA. I can just type it in right here, and then I can just add it. Sell it right there, and it already has the UPC and everything. Now, if it's not showing up, you have to create a new listing from scratch. Make sure you use the same exact UPC code that you used to create the listing in the US marketplace. That way the reviews transfer over. Once you're done creating the listings, you're simply going to convert them into Amazon FBA. So you're going to click change to fulfilled by Amazon right here so you can ship it into the Amazon marketplace. Once you're done converting it to Amazon FBA, it's time to ship your products. So what you're going to do is click send or replenish inventory. And you're going to go through all of the steps, how many units you want to ship in, how many units per box. Then for each box, Amazon's going to give you an Amazon label, and you're going to put the Amazon label on the box. They are not going to give you a shipping label. To get a shipping label, you actually need to go to a website like ups.com, and you need to log in and then get a shipping label to ship from the US to Spain. And they're going to ask you for your VAT. They may ask you for your EORI number. Make sure you have those handy, and then you're going to ship it directly to them. Once you get that tracking number from UPS, then your box is going to have an Amazon label, and it's going to have a shipping label from UPS. You're also going to take that shipping label tracking number. You're going to go to inventory, manage shipments right here, and then you're going to put that shipment number so Amazon knows. Amazon can track it and see that it's going to be delivered and when is it going to be delivered. And that's going to be it. You're just going to wait for the items to actually show up in your inventory and say available. Then you can start selling. Now, some quick tips is to translate your listings. You can start using a Google Translate to start translating your listings because the main language in Spain is Spanish. But over time, once you start generating sales, you definitely want to hire a professional translator. So that way, everything that you sell is correct. All of the translations are correct. You can also find one on Fiverr, or you can hire a professional company. Next is using UPS. UPS is going to be one of the best shipping companies. If you use FedEx, they may just return your package if something goes wrong. If you use USPS, it might get lost. So I would say use UPS for your first shipment. And then for my recommendations on what countries to expand to first, it's going to be the English-speaking countries first. So USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Singapore. Focus on those countries first, expanding there, and then start focusing on like Italy, Spain, France, because then you have to deal with all those different translations. And that's it for today's video. Comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new in today's video, drop a like below. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Also, if you need help expanding internationally or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Our link is right in the description so you can set up a call, or you can have us reach out to you directly. Our #1 service right now is full account management, where we'll come in, we'll help you expand internationally, audit all of your listings in your account, and help you increase your sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.